So, your relationship sucks. Now what? Many people are in relationships where at least one person is unhappy and wondering, how did I get here? The truth is, the same way you get anywhere, one step at a time. The steps of the path to where you are would be too many to ever know. But there is a simpler way to erase all that. Really, think back to when you were a kid and lost something. What did we always hear? Retrace your steps. You know, when did you last have it? Then go from there. Same plan works with your spouse. When did you both last, definitely, have your relationship on track? What happened that derailed those plans? Getting to the root of the problem should be pretty easy after that. Now, we all change, so your values and priorities may be different than when you first became a couple. Therefore, finding out what your partner wants to give and receive as of now is the first step to getting a relationship back to happiness, peace, and passion that you both wanted together forever. So, what can you do today to get your marriage back on track? The best way would be to discuss as many of the following questions as possible with your spouse. Number one, how did we expect our marriage to look at this stage? Number two, what are the main differences that each of you see? And number three, ask each other, what is one thing I can do each day to be a better spouse? And actually do it, of course. Here's the most important part of all. Don't put this off. Talk to your spouse now. If that's not possible, call or text them and let them know that there's something you want to discuss with them the next time you're together. This way, you show yourself and your spouse that you're serious about taking the first step to regain the marriage that you both dreamed of. The second step is even more crucial. That is, actually doing what you agreed to do each day. That will build trust and push the past even further away. I'd love to hear how it goes. Let me know. See you next time.